How fast can you make a Gibson Girl updo? Let's find out. Hello, my name is Maggie and welcome to another Around the Year video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a turn of the century Gibson Girl updo. And it's going to work with any hair type or hair length, as long as it's longer than about shoulder length. So let's get started. First of all, you're just going to want to detangle your hair. So I'm doing that very thoroughly here. And once my hair is nice and smooth, I'll just flip it upside down like so. And I'm just going to loosely twist my ends together like so. Once I'm satisfied with my twist, I'm going to pop it right on top of my head, thereby poofing out the bits of hair above my forehead, creating that iconic Gibson Girl style. The rest of my hair, and depending how long your hair is, that will vary a great deal, I'm just going to twist and coil on top of my head and then secure it with a couple of bobby pins. And there you have it! An iconic Gibson Girl look without any hair pieces or false hair. Now let's do the whole thing with a stopwatch to see just exactly how long it takes. It just took me about 20 seconds to complete this hairstyle. I hope all of you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, as there are plenty more videos coming up, and I'll see you in the next one.